Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the PlantIn app. And here it opens up in My Plans. From here, we just have to go into More. Then tap on the little cog icon. Tap on Language. And here we can just scroll down and select the language that we speak from the list. And yeah, we just basically tap on it and then it's going to change to that, as you can see here. For English it says language, for Deutsch it says Sprache, and yeah, we just tap on the backwards arrow and the language is going to be changed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.